Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel, myself Harsha teacher. Today we are going to learn new concepts of pre-maths. In last period we have learned full, half, empty, left and right. These two concepts. Now today we are going to learn another new concept. So today we are going to learn open and close. You know what is open, what is close? Anybody can tell me? Open means khula, close means band. So whenever you go out of your house, what you do? You close the door. When you come inside, what you do? You open the door and come inside. So like this, today we are going to learn the concept of open and close. Now see, I will show you one thing that you have to tell me that it is open or closed. Okay? So now in my hand, I am having one box. Can you see this box? Yeah, you can see this box. Okay. Now tell me, it is open or closed? Yes? Very good. It is closed. Very good. When all the sides are packed, it is closed. And now see, I will open this lid like this. Now, how it is? Open. Very good. So, now, just now we have seen open and close concept practically. One more thing we will see in like this only. Now, this box was like this. Now, it is closed. When we open the lid, it is open. Okay? Now, second thing we will see. See this. What is this? Can you see this? Yes. This is book. What is this? Book. It is closed or open? It is when we take like this in hand, it is closed. But when we open like this, it is open. Okay? It is open. And now it is closed. So, everybody take your book, pencil, eraser and open page number 7. So, just now we have seen practically the concept of open and close. And now in the books we will see. So, you got it everybody? What is open and close? Practically just now I shown you. So, now we will do in the book and that to clear concept. Now see, this is the page number 7. Everybody, have you opened your page number 7? Okay. Read the heading. O-P-E-N, open, A-N-D, and C-L-O-S-E, close. Open and close. Today we are going to learn open and close concept. So see in this box, what you can see? We can see boy is there with the box. But first boy, he is having the box. Inside the box, he is having balls. And how the box is? Open. He can see the material which is inside the box. So, it is open. And now, next, same boy he is and he is having box. But he can't see anything inside the box. Means this box is closed. So, see, O-P-E-N, open. This box is open. C-L-O-S-E, close. This box is closed. So, here we can understand, looking to the picture, that this box is open and this box is closed. So, see, this is my hand. This hand is open. Okay. Now, it is closed. It is open. It is closed. You can see my eyes. It is open. Now, it is closed. When I close my eyes, it is closed. I will open my eyes. See, it is open. So, like this, different we can learn the concept. We can do the practice. So, now, WRITE, right? O, FOR, for, OPEN, open, AND, and, C, FOR, for, CLOSE, close. So what they have told us, write O for open and C for close. They have given us some pictures. We have to see that picture and we have to see that it is open or it is closed. If that picture is of open, so we have to write front of that in the box open, O. And if it is closed, we have to write letter C. If it is open, we have to write letter O because it is open. That image, that picture is, which we can see, it is open. So, take the pencil in your hand and see. Here, what we can see in this picture? Door. Oh, very good. How the door is there? What you can see? This door is open? No, it is closed. Okay, so then we have to write here C. What we have to write in the box? C. Like this, you have to write C. Now, see in the next picture, what you can see? You can see door. But how it is? It is closed or open? Anybody can say me? Yes, very good. It is open. We can see the door is open. So, we have to write here O. What we have to write here? O. Now, see. In the next picture, what is this? Here, what we can see? Book. Very good. Book. How the book is? How you can see book? The book is open because the book is open. So, we have to write here O. Now, the next picture, you see that here the book is there. But how it is? Open it is? Close it is? Then, yes, it is closed. So, we have to write C. The things which are open, it is known as open. The things which are closed, we can say the things are closed. See how we can understand that we have seen practically. And now we have solved the exercise also. That we saw the picture and how that in that picture, how it is looking closed or open, that we have written in the box. I will wait for the 2 minutes. You do that. Everybody finish? Okay, now open page number 8. Open page number 8. Open page number 8. Everybody, have you opened this? Yes. Now, first of all, we will learn practically. Okay? What we will, how we have seen open and house, like that only. Sorry. Open and close, like that only. We will see up and down concept. Which concept? Up and down. Okay. Now, just now we saw that concept of open and close. Now we are going to learn up and down. So, see, up means up and down means down. Okay. So, what we can see? Up, we can see sky, flying birds, and where what we see on down? We can see that down, we can see it, work. Yes. So, now see, Monu, this is Monu. Monu want to understand what is up and what is down. So, see, I am doing my hands up. So, where is my hand? Up. So, see, this is up. And when I am doing this hand down like this, it is down. So up and down means when we walk on steps, up. So when we go up, it is known as up, and when we come down with the steps, we come down. So now see, the book which I am keeping now, this is the book. Here I have kept, it is down. The book, the another book which I am holding in my hand, I will hold it up. So now see, this is up, and the book which I have kept down, it is down. This is up and this is down. Okay. So open your page number 8. Now we will see here what they have told us. UP up, AND and, DOW and down. Up and down. See now, just now I told you that when we go on the steps upside like this, it is up. And when we come down from the steps, we called as down. So in this picture, see, we can see two pictures. One is going up on the steps and one is going down on the steps. So in first picture, you see UP up. What the boy is doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this, he is going on the steps. And in the second picture, you can see the boy is coming down. Means he is coming down. Means from the up, he is coming down. You can now, you got the clear concept of up and down. So up means like this up, and down means like this down. So COLOUR color, THE the, BIRD bird, THAT that, IS is, FLYING flying up in the sky. See the big spellings, I am first reading the letters and then pronouncing the word. But small directly we are learning, saying, because 2-letter, 3-letter words we have learned. So what they have told us, color the bird. So here they have given us 2 different birds. Okay. In these 2 different birds, where in this picture where you can see this bird, see all this, it is sky. Means this bird is flying in the sky and this bird is eating on ground. So we have to color the bird that is flying in the sky. With the crayon, you have to color the bird that flying in the sky. So this is flying in the sky. So we have to color here. Like this we have to color. Okay. So you have to color like this properly. We have colored this bird because they have told us to color the bird which is flying in the sky. So we have colored this. Flying means up and this is on the ground, so it is down. So we have colored this picture. So color it, I will wait for 2 minutes and after that open your workbook. So everybody, have you learned this today concept up and down? Okay. After that everybody, have you colored? Okay. Now open your workbook. In that workbook, open page number 4. Open page number 4. And write here HW homework. We have learned open and close. That homework you have to do in workbook. After this, open next page, that is page number 5. This also you have to do for homework. What you have to do? Homework. Because just now we have learned up and down, open and close. That in the workbook you have to practice. So today we have learned concept of open and close, and second concept up and down. We have seen practically, and then we have done the exercise in the book, and which we have given you the homework you have to do at home. Thank you.